In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email on Glassdoor. If you've looked around the app or website, you may have noticed there isn't always a clear change email button. Don't worry. If the option is available on your account, you can update it right from your account settings. And if it doesn't appear for you, I'll show you what to do next. Start by opening your browser and heading to www.glassdoor.com. Sign in using the email and password you currently use for your Glassdoor account. Make sure you can still access that email because Glassdoor may send a confirmation to verify any changes you make. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your homepage or dashboard. Now, move to the top right corner and click your profile icon. In the drop-down menu, choose Account Settings or simply Settings, depending on what you see. This takes you to your main settings area, where different categories are listed. You're looking for a section labeled Account Login or Personal Info, which is where your email address is managed. Open that section and look for your current email address. If your account has the change option, you'll see a field or an edit or update button next to your email. Click it, enter the new email you want to use, and follow any on-screen prompts. You may be asked to re-enter your password, and you may receive a verification link. Be sure to select Save or Update to confirm. It's a good idea to double-check that you typed the new address correctly, and then keep an eye on your inbox and spam folders for any confirmation messages from Glassdoor so the change can be finalized. If you don't see any way to change your email here, you're not alone. Some users report that the option isn't visible on every account. In that case, the next step is to contact Glassdoor support. From the site's Help Center or the Contact Us page, request help updating the email on your account. Explain that the change email option is missing, and include only the details they ask for to verify ownership. Support may guide you through a quick security check and complete the update on their end. That's it. To recap, sign in at glassdoor.com, open your profile menu, head to Account Settings, check Account Login or Personal Info, and update your email if the option is there. If it's not, reach out to support through the Help Center or Contact Us. Take a moment to watch for verification messages so the update goes through smoothly.